Hello everyone, I am Ashley John Valerio Sunga from Section 7. The course code is WRP 202. This is my WRP Extra. Here is my ID. So first, we're gonna do basic dynamic stretching. First, we're gonna go for arm circles, 8 seconds, forward and back. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, backwards. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's the first set of my upper body. Now, for my first set of the lower body, we'll just do digs for 16 counts. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure that you point your toes upwards. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Ay, sumobra na pala. Now that's the first set. Now we're gonna do that once again. Now continuously. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now that is my dynamic stretching. Now for my main workout, I will do 3 sets of cardiovascular exercise containing my first exercise, which is butt kicks, which is 8 seconds, and then we'll go straight to skipping for 8 seconds, alternated, and we'll finish it off with jumping jacks for another 8 seconds. So that's only one set. So we're gonna do 3 sets of that with rest. So let's do the first set. Butt kicks, 8 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we'll go straight to skips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we'll go straight to jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that is my cardiovascular workout. That is the first set. So reminders. For the butt kicks, you should go all the way in your back toe, the back of the foot on your butt. And then for the skipping, you will have to do it alternately. And then for the jumping jacks, you just go as fast as you can. Okay. For the second set, 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Second set. Now we're gonna go for our last set. We'll just rest for 30 seconds. Now for our last set, let's do it. Another 8 counts for butt kicks, skipping, and jumping jacks. In 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now for our cool down, we're gonna do 2 static stretch. One for upper body, one for lower. So the first upper body stretch is just widen your legs and then stretch your body all the way up. 8 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now for the lower legs, we'll just go downwards. Still widening your legs. So another 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we're gonna do one more set of that. So let's do the last set of our static stretching. So widen your legs and stretch upwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then stretch all the way down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. That's all. Thank you for watching.